Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart buying decisions. Today, we have an exciting comparison for you. We'll be comparing the Mini Drone and the UNTEI 2-in-1 Mini Drones. These compact drones are perfect for beginners and kids who want to experience the thrill of flying. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons. Let's start with the price. The Mini Drone is priced at $69, while the UNTEI 2-in-1 Mini Drones come in at $99. The Mini Drone takes the lead in affordability, making it a great budget-friendly option. Moving on to the camera capabilities. The Mini Drone is equipped with a 1080p HD Wi-Fi camera that can be adjusted manually up to 90 degrees. This allows you to capture stunning aerial photos and videos. On the other hand, the UNTEI 2-in-1 Mini Drones do not come with a built-in camera. So, if you prioritize capturing aerial footage, the Mini Drone is the clear winner in this category. Now let's talk about flight features. The Mini Drone offers altitude hold, low power alarm, emergency stop, voice gesture control, and multiple fun flight modes like 3D flips and drawing flight paths on your smartphone. On the other hand, the UNTEI 2-in-1 Mini Drones have a unique design that combines a mini drone with a toy car. It also offers one-key takeoff, landing, and auto-hovering functions. Both drones have their own unique flight features, so it ultimately depends on your preferences. Durability is always an important factor, especially when it comes to drones. The Mini Drone comes with 4 propeller guards to protect it from collisions, making it safer for indoor flights. It is also made of high-quality materials, ensuring its reliability. Similarly, the UNTEI 2-in-1 Mini Drones feature propeller guards and are made from durable ABS material. Both drones are designed to withstand crashes and accidental drops. Lastly, let's talk about battery life. The Mini Drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, providing a total flying time of 18 to 21 minutes. On the other hand, the UNTEI 2-in-1 Mini Drones offer a flying time of 17 to 20 minutes. While both drones offer decent battery life, the Mini Drone edges ahead with a slightly longer flight time. The Mini Drone excels in affordability, camera capabilities, flight features, and battery life. On the other hand, the UNTEI 2-in-1 Mini Drones offer a unique design, combining a mini drone with a toy car, making it a versatile option. Ultimately, the choice between these 2 drones depends on your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and buying guides. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.